Hello everyone, welcome to my Flosstube video. I finally got the courage to talk in one of my videos, so I'm really nervous, but here we go. So I'm going to talk a little bit about myself. I'm Mafalda from Mafalda Crafts and I'm 32 years old. I'm Portuguese, so excuse me for my bad English. I started to do cross stitch around April this year because of the coronavirus. I was laid off from my job because of it, and I got a lot of spare time, and it's what I started to do. But before even cross stitch, I started to do friendship bracelets, which I have some here. The first one, it's this one that I'm using. Little hearts. And then I have some more right here. I stopped doing it because it hurts my fingers, so here, your pandas. I have more, but my family is wearing them, so I can't show it to you. I love this one. It reminds me of the Lion King because of the colors. And the last one that I have is this one. They are little turtles. You can see. These are the ones that I have, but they hurt my fingers, so I stopped it. And discovered Flosstube, which I'm binge watching videos right now. And I only started in April, so I don't have a lot to show. And with cross stitch I also started doing diamond paintings, which I'm going to show here. I only have two, and they are both from Riolis. Riolis is more of a cross stitch brand, but they also make diamond paintings. And here's the first one that I did. It's puppies. I don't remember the size, let me see. It's 27 centimeters by 38. I just love it. And this is the kit if you want to do one yourself. The second one that I did, it's this one. Really cute. I have the pictures of progress pictures of this on my Instagram. My handle is also Mafalda Crafts. If you want, you can go and check it out. It's just too cute. I love it. Also from Riolis. And now for my cross stitch. The first cross stitch that I made, it's this one. And I didn't have a hoop at the time, so it looks a bit weird. And I made a lot of mistakes, but I think it's still cute. I think this part is 1 or 2 stitches up than it should be, but still. Also from Riolis, this one. All of that I have is from Riolis. I wanted to start some heaven and earth designs, but They are too expensive, and yeah. Here, it's just so cute. The second one that I did, this one. It was for a challenge that Riolis had on their Instagram page. It was called Summer with Riolis, and we had to do a kit. And as a rewards, we are going to receive another kit. So I'm waiting for it. It's Venice. This is a printed background, printed fabric, and I only stitch this part. I forgot on this one, it's 25 centimeters by 25, and this one I don't remember, and I don't have the package already. So, but I can look it up and put it in the description here. The third one that I made, it's this one. So cute. This is a sheltie, and it's also 25 centimeters by 25. I picked this one because it looks so much like my dog. She's not a sheltie, she's a mixed breed, but they look so much alike that I just had to get it. And it's finished. I still haven't ironed it yet, but the next one that I did, it was a promo kit. This is everything from Riolis. I made this one. Little charm. Cute hoop. I think it's 10 centimeters, the hoop. Almost as big as my hand, but I have small hands, so. That was all for my finished works. And I have 2 works in progress, 2 whips. The first one is this, which I can show you what it's going to be like. Here. Oh, the glare. This is the kit that I'm doing, 40 centimeters by 40 from Riolis, and it's a 10 count Zweigart Ada. So cute. I love wolves. And this is how far I am. This was the first time that I work on a 10 count Ada, and I don't really like it, just too big. I don't like it. And all of the other ones were 14 count Ada, which I think it's more comfortable for me. But here it is. You can already see the wolves right here. And the next project, second one, is on the frame. It's this one, also another wolf. Oh, sorry. And this is, oh, and this is what it's going to be like. Just so beautiful. From Riolis, Kids 1875, and it's called Ice Cold Wind, 21 by 30. Also 14 counts, colored Ada. Yeah. Zweigart Ada. Here you go. Beautiful wolf. And this is how far I am. I made a mistake and I don't like frogging, so instead of frogging I moved the drawing more to this side and deleted this one. You can already see the moon, the full moon, and a little bit of the wolf. So beautiful, the colors, love it. And I have another kit that I haven't opened yet. from Riolis. This kit actually my sister won it because she was the 5,000 follower on Instagram, from Riolis Instagram, and she gave it to me. Here you go, The Little Prince 21 by 30, and it's 14 count white swaggered Ada. This all of their work, so cute. So this is all that I have. I'm really nervous. This was the first video that I'm speaking, and I do not know if I'm going to upload it, but if you're watching, then I did. I've been watching Flosstube, and I noticed that people are using a random wheel generator to pick their projects for the day. And I decided to start to do that as well. I only have 3 and 1 on the way. It was a prize so far. So I'm going to spin the wheel at the end of this video. But first I want to share the Flosstubers that I'm currently watching. And let me see here. I just started watching today Pumpkin Hollow Quilts. I'm like binge watching her videos. So I recommend her to go see her. Also started watching, I don't know if I'm saying your name right, but here it goes, Yantina Stitches. I'm going to link all of them in the description, so it's okay. And also, I think my favorite one is Crafty Gaming Jamie. I already watched all of her videos in 2 days or less. And the next 2 is Stitching Dreamer, Stitch Diary. I should have written all of this beforehand. Where is it? Oh, it's here. And the last one is Cross Stitch Ill. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm going to write it in the description, and I really recommend you guys to go and watch them. It's amazing. And now I'm going to spin the wheel. Okay, so here we go. What a sad wheel, only 3. It's okay, let's do it. So The Little Prince, I'm going to open The Little Prince. I can open here with you. Hi. So this is going to be a new start for me. And then I would have nothing on my stash. How fun. So the other kits that Rioli has. And this kit only has 23 colors. I love the blues. sapphire blues. A needle. This is a 14 count, as always. I wanted to try 18 counts. I don't know. How much is the size? Oh, it's 21 by 30. It's not that big. Then they have instructions in 6 languages: English, German, Russian, I know Spanish, French, and Italian. And here's a little bit of the chart. Very clear symbols. Not on my phone though, because it's a very old phone. And the key. Oh, French knots? Is that what it is? I never made this one before. Kinda scary. Don't know if I'm going to... Oh, look, another one. Well, we'll see. So, this is what I'm going to be stitching for today. I think maybe my next Flosstube video will be in a week with some updates on my cross stitch. So, see you on my next video. Bye!